everyone, this is Vasudha. Welcome back to my channel Code Gems 27. In last video I have discussed introduction to Python. So today I am going to show you how you can install the IDE for Python to work on, so that then we can start learning Python on that platform. Okay, so now how to install the Python software on your laptop or desktop. So first of all, what will you do? You will open your browser, then you can just type this link on your search bar. You can just note it down. Then this window will open. Then if you are using Linux or Mac OS, then click on that. And since I am using Windows, so I am clicking on Windows. So this is the latest release of Python, so I will install the first installer. So you can see it's installed. I will click on this. So now options are there, so I will add this one to path automatically, and then use admin privileges. Okay, I can just do it later and so on. Then I will click on install now. So it is installing is started. It can take a few minutes. Okay, so you just have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't take a lot of time, it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so you just have to be patient and wait for installation process. It's going to be done soon. Okay, so now click on close and Python is installed in the laptop. To check that, go to the search bar and just type py, and so you can see, yes, it's installed in there. And I will just open this IDE of Python, where I can start working on my Python language. So I will show you a basic program here to print something on output screen. If I just want to print, the first program always in coding is hello world program. So this is hello world. I'm going to write on my output screen, and then closing the brackets, and then press enter. So you can see output is this hello world. Okay, you can also print your name. Print round bracket start double quotations, my name is Vasudha, so I will print Vasudha and press enter. This is the shell over there you are working, ideally shell 3.135.5. This is the latest version of the Python available easily. You can see here I can only write one line of code. Okay, but we need to make programs with multiple lines. So what you can do is, you can just go to file, and then you can just open a new file over there, and here you can write any number of lines of the code, and just write the code over here. I'm just writing 2 lines here for now, and then you have to save this file at first before running that. So I will just save this and just select a folder where you want to store your codes. Open that folder and first program. Okay, save that over there, then click on run, and it will show you the output over your shell. So this is the output, and this is the first program .py. .py specifies that the extension for Python program. Okay, and the first prog is my file's name, and this is the path where that folder exists, like where my program exists. So this is the output. So this is how we can install Python on our device and start working on that. Okay, stay connected with me, and in next class we will do some programs for Python. Till then, bye bye, see you soon. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to learn Python. And yes, I will upload some more videos for Java as well. So stay connected with me on my channel CodeGems 27. Thank you. Bye bye.